In this edition of In the Kitchen with Jen Thompson, we're making
potato scones.
Yummy. Now this recipe is for St. Patrick's Day, but when I read it, it kind of reminded me of a potato cake. Simple, easy to make, and probably gonna be good. So let's get started.
For your first ingredient, you're gonna need 4 cups of cooked potatoes, 4 tablespoons of butter, and a half a cup of flour. Then you put it on a floured surface and knead it into a ball.
Well, it's the end, and
There's only one thing to do.
what is that?
Taste them.
All right, I'm gonna taste it. Recipe, 2 thumbs up. And for more recipes like this, visit carolinacountry.com, or you can find this particular recipe in the March Spotlight newsletter. Happy St. Patrick's Day!